So Gallick, 61% free throw shooter. He's made 6 tonight. Made 7. 2-point game, 77-75. Denver by 2. Man, they have had multiple, and they have led by double digits most of this game. Every time Northridge has made a run, Denver's had an answer, and they better have one final one now. Denver by 2, 77-75. Ronert, Chase Hallam, Kyle Lewis, Travis Hallam, and Andrew Hooper. Ronert's got it left forecourt. Trapping defense now by Cal State Northridge. Chase gets it away to Nate. Got to be somebody open in this triple team. 16 seconds on the clock. Right wing to Kyle Lewis. He's in the corner. Look out. Ooh, he might have walked with the ball. Got it away to Hooper in the corner. 10 on the shot clock for Denver. Skip pass over the defense to Chase Allen. Baseline left to Kyle. 5 seconds. Ronert down the lane. He got fouled, and I tell you what, the baseline official made the call. Mark Hill going to get ticketed, but that looked like a pretty good strip by Mark Hill. 4th foul on Hill. Ronert's got 4 for Denver. Theron Taylor also has 4 for Cal State Northridge. Ronert will shoot 2. Missed it. Made them all half. Denver 22 of 34. They were 11 of 22 at the half. They were 11 of 12 prior to that. Actually, maybe 11 of 11. Nate's second one is good. It's a 1-possession game, and the ball goes back to Northridge with 3 minutes to go. Wow. Pioneers going to have to earn this one. Mark Hill with the basketball. And again, he and McGee shooting without a conscience right now. That's what scares you. Hill's got it out between the rings. Stafford fighting hard defensively down low. Hooper, pretty good defense. Oh, good Lord. That's a blocking foul on Hooper. He didn't do anything. He just slid across the lane. Now they're going to call that on Stafford. Uh-oh. 4th foul on Stafford, so that was actually away from the play. Hooper did a good job sending his guy across the lane. That's actually his 5th. So Stafford is fouled out of the game. 11 for Brian Stafford tonight. Brian 2 of 7 from the field, 6 of 10 at the line. He had 3 rebounds and 4 assists. So Brian Stafford is gone. Kyle Lewis is going to come back in for the Pioneers. Kyle has 2 fouls tonight. But it's a 2-shot foul with 2:41 to go, and Northridge trailing by 2. Stafford will have a seat next to Rob Lewis. Rob's got 4 fouls for the Pioneers. Both teams in the double bonus from here on out. 2 free throws every time a whistle blows. Guess it's one of them there offensive fouls. Free throw by Gallick is short. That one never got above the rim. One more for him. Can pull his team to within 2. Second one is good. I don't think we had our under 4 timeout. Denver ball, 2:39 to go. Should have come right there if we didn't. Across the timeline, Nate Ronert. Picks up the dribble, gets it away to Chase Hallam. Right forecourt. Here comes a double team. Chase gets it over to Nate. Skip pass in the corner to Kyle. Kyle over to Chase. Pioneers got to move the ball quickly. Nate with a basketball into a triple team. He's in trouble. Gets it away to Hooper out top. Denver by 2. 2:16 to play. Travis looking for help. 7 seconds to go. Sends it to Kyle. Kyle dribble drive out to Travis. He'll fire a 3. Got it! Travis Hallam with the triple. Denver by 5, 81-76. Big shot by the sophomore. Guarantee you that neck ain't stiff anymore. He's been bothered by that all day. Couldn't even turn his head at shoot around this morning. On the wing, Taylor driving baseline. Shut off. Clears it away out on the wing again to Hill. Hill will fire and shoot. Long rebound to Hooper. Joe Scott says run offense with 1:40 to go, and his team now by 5, 81-76. Ronert across the timeline. Northridge not trapping quite as much on this possession. I think they're trying to catch their breath. They may be a little winded. Look out, Ronert nearly had it taken away on the soft pass, but he got it back. Ooh, Nate nearly tripped. Nate going to drive down the lane. Drives all the way to the baseline. Sends it out top to Hooper with 9. Hooper with 9 doesn't take the shot. Travis Hallam down the lane. He goes. Scoop shot. Good and a foul. Travis Hallam taking matters into his own hands. Down the lane he went and switched to the left hand with a scoop shot. Travis Hallam with 5 consecutive points, a chance to make it 6. And Denver by 7 with 1:12 to go. And as if you couldn't tell before, you can now. Got a little bit of a cold. Kind of gave it the old Peter Brady there for a second. One more for Travis Hallam, looking for back-to-back three-point plays. One with the bomb and one the old-fashioned way. Travis, 7 points in the half. Rebound Long off the miss. Northridge has got it. They trail by 7, minutes 7 to go. Catch and shoot. Oh, man. Vinny McGee on the dead run. Nobody came to get him. He stopped outside the line and drilled a 3. Guess what? It's a 4-point game and 1:04 to go.